Alright guys, the second day of the Pagani Raduno 2018. Got this massive 4x4 Brabus blocking our view, but we managed to sneak in with the first group of Pagani. So we're gonna head over to the first stop. Hopefully get some action for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Alright, we got the heroes in the orange vests leading the way. Still can't see the Paganis in front of us. Ooh, look at this. Hate to say it, but I think the 4x4 Brabus is slightly louder than the BC and the 570. Here are all the cars getting onto the freeway here. It's a nice pop. Alright, X3, show us what you're made out of. Let's go. Roll the windows up. Holy shit, they're gone. Yeah, what a move! Look at the 4x4! Yes! That's a Italian drive. Yes! Holy f oh my god! I don't know about you guys, but I've never seen anyone drive a 4x4 like that in my entire goddamn life. It's pretty impressive. No fucks given here, guys. Some final destination shit right there, guys. We don't want to be behind that. Absolutely not. See, like in America, this would be acceptable, but in Europe, apparently it's not. So, but it's okay. What the fuck? There's a guy driving on the emergency lane. What the fuck? Look right there. Oh, nice. All right, guys. This is our only chance to really catch up with the Paganis. We got the Uno right there, the man himself, Mr. John Hui. Hey, there is our buddies in the C63, 4x4, the Maniac. Holy shit. Now this is a bona fide 100% motherfucking Raduno. In the words of the Stradman, now we're rolling. Station takeover happening over here, guys. We got the King Tasman, we got the Wyra Roadster. This reminds me of a KHK spec with the blue outlines in the rear on the diffuser right there. I'm gonna check out the interior of these Zonda Uno right here, guys. Is this a spec or what? Holy smokes. Just like that, we gotta hustle back. Oh, here we go. Ugh. That was a quick stop. Scratch that, guys. We're gonna park right here at the freeway entrance. Maybe get a couple pulls for you guys. After yesterday's video, it was a little lacking because we kind of messed up, but here we go. Yes. It's doing everything in their power to put on a good show, guys. Of course, got the Wyra Roadster. Boom. And this on the... We gotta go, guys! Oh shit! Let's go, motherfuckers! We got the... Oh, the Uno!
What a shot, what a shot!
Get the shot! Hold on, the Mercatone Uno. Wait. Oh! Beautiful. Oh. All right, we're going to, we're going to get in front of them, but scratch that. But that's okay. This'll do. This'll do just nicely. Oh, easy there, Aaron. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, there he is. Hey! He's made a comeback. Oh, he's gonna get your shots. Never mind. I'll move now. Holy shit. It's like a ghetto tunnel, man. Alright, fun factoid for all you non-Italians or Europeans. We don't really have speed cameras in the States, but in Italy they do. They're these orange boxes on the side of the road at each town, so just be careful, guys. Oh, by the way, they have signs that point out where the speed cameras are, so take that as you will. This town is absolutely littered with these orange box speed cameras, and in the famous words of DJ Khaled, another one. Dude, the locals are absolutely loving the Pagani Raduno. Just passing through multiple little towns here in the Italian landscape. And another roundabout. Excellent. What the fuck was that maneuver? This is some straight up Mila shit right here, guys. Thank you. You, sir, are a true lad. Thank you. That's what they do. All the cars on the road will just pull off to the side and let all the Mila cars just go through. Yeah, it's crazy. Respect. Finally stopping here for the lunch point. Let's see what else we got here. Ooh, the new 760 Aether. There it is, guys. Currently washing the X3. This car's been through quite a bit through the Raduno, so need a little love and care. A lot of bugs out here, so we're just trying to scrape them off and make this look a little bit more presentable for you guys. Got a pretty sophisticated car wash system going on here. You put your coins or your credit card in here, then you get the tokens, put the tokens in there, bam, you're ready to go. Oh, by the way, there's also a vending machine and a drying machine here too, so the more you know, right? Alright, the dryer's got like a dozen sensors, so it's just going to like go over the car and dry it. That's pretty cool, actually. Not bad for €3. Park the X3 on the side. The Paganis are going to come down that hill onto this straightaway here. Hopefully they'll be going at a pretty high rate of speed to kind of make up for the lack of action yesterday. All right, the cars are coming. We're going to jog on over here. Show me some love, baby. Show me some love. John, show me some love, baby. Yes. Holy shit! That 4x4 is going for it. Zonda 760. Oh, wait. The Aether. We're pronouncing it right now, guys. Greek mythology. I'm going to tell a little bit more about that car in a little second there. Got Flipper the Dolphin on the Keen's wire. Apparently there are like several iterations of the Flipper Dolphin on multiple cars, or in multiple cars rather. Looks like today's Raduno is essentially Evolver, so not sure what we're going to do today, guys. There it is, the 4x4, the Mad Dog making moves earlier this morning. Closer look at the 760 Zonda Viola. The interior is teal, similar to that of the Uno, but a little bit lighter. This used to be the 760 RS, and previously the 760 RSJX, I think. So RSJX was carbon fiber with the teal exterior on the paint. Now it's purple, so pretty sick, I guess. Got a random Aventador SV just driving through. And we got Flipper Senior, Flipper Junior. The wire right. Oh man.